Hello, we present the complete TypeScript and JavaScript programming series by Edgar Milvis. Volume 1, Foundations, OpenAI API, Zod, and LangChain.js. Volume 2, The Modern Stack. Building generative UI with Next.js, Vercel AI SDK, and React Server components. Volume 3, Master Your Data. Production RAG, vector databases, and enterprise search with JavaScript. Volume 4, Autonomous Agents. Building multi-agent systems and workflows with LangGraph.js. Volume 5, The Edge of AI. Local LLMs, Alama, Transformers.js, WebGPU, and performance optimization. Volume 6, The AI-ready SaaS boilerplate. Auth, database with vector support, and payment stack. Volume 7, Backend for frontend and intelligent APIs. TRPC, edge functions, and LLM data transformation. Volume 8, The monetization engine. Stripe, smart dunning, and AI customer support agents. By scanning this QR code, you go to the series on leanpub.com. By scanning this QR code, you go to the series on Amazon. Thank you for watching.